Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your ImTokens account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your ImTokens account, firstly go ahead and launch open your ImToken application. The home page of ImToken application will appear on the screen. Tap on My Profile option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Manage Your Wallet option. Now all you need to do is click on Manage. To delete your ImTokens account, click on Quit. Confirm deletion of your account by tapping on Confirm to delete. From the pop-up, enter your password associated with your ImTokens account and tap on Confirm. This is how you can delete your ImTokens account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.